This is an amazing moment in time for the history of our university, and it speaks so much to the trailblazer and the work that you've done all these years to get yourself here. But in all honesty, you're getting women here. I mean, after all, the first president who is a woman of the University of Guelph, you're a remarkable role model, and I am so proud to be one of those people who is working on your team.
In addition to the impressive credentials and experience that Charlotte was bringing to the University of Guelph when she was appointed provost in 2015, it was impossible to miss her contagious energy, excitement, and passion.
This appointment is well deserved, Charlotte. You have proven yourself time and time again throughout your previous term as interim president. I am confident that your past experiences as provost of the U of G and as dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences at McMaster University will serve you well as you meet the challenges before the university, while also enhancing the reputation for quality and excellence, both nationally and internationally.
Dr. Yates, the retirees welcome your clear vision of an inclusive, comprehensive, and multidisciplinary institution, one that recognizes that there is no science without culture and no culture without science.
President Yates continues an important tradition of the senior leadership of the University of Guelph giving back to our local community. We appreciate President Yates' personal and the organization's commitment to the United Way and our work to strengthen and improve lives locally.
I'm very excited that Charlotte Yates is being installed as the president of the University of Guelph. First of all, because she's a woman president, which is a rare thing, and also because of what she's done in her time as interim president and also as provost. We've seen all sorts of change, so I'm really excited for what lies ahead.
I've had the opportunity to work with Charlotte on the President's Advisory Committee on Indigenous Initiatives and also on the President's Advisory Committee on Anti-Racism. This is a great asset having Charlotte as the president due to her capability, her knowledge, and her compassion.
I think that Charlotte, in my experience since being an undergrad and now as a grad student, has always been someone that pays attention to what people are saying, as well as whenever she doesn't know something, tends to ask the room and creates that culture where it's okay to ask and learn.
You're our champion, and you encourage us to be brave and bold through our shared commitment to the university.
You have the right combination of passion and dedication required to lead us through this current decade and also to lay the groundwork for the future years of this university.
It's incredibly meaningful to have a female leader, a woman of distinction at that, at the helm of such a significant institution in our community.
Congratulations upon becoming the new president of the University of Guelph and for persevering through the past 2 years with such wisdom and grace.
Yes, congratulations for becoming the new president. I think one of the characteristics we admire about you is that you're a good listener and you ask good questions. We've always enjoyed our conversations, and I'm sure that characteristic's going to hold you in good stead as you move the university forward.
I have had the pleasure of knowing her since she landed here since 2015, and what a wonderful, wonderful leader we have in our city. I know that the motto or the slogan for the University of Guelph is improve life, and you embody that, President Yates, and you do that not only locally on campus within the University of Guelph, but you improve life in our entire city because of how you give back.
Charlotte, on behalf of the entire University of Manitoba community, I want to congratulate you on your installation as president. I know you started your academic career in Winnipeg, and so I want to bring you full circle here in this lovely province of ours. Congratulations, all the best. Guelph is lucky to have you.